This is the interference of waves explained theoretically. There can be two types of interference, constructive and destructive interference. In constructive interference, the light waves are in same phase, and hence when they superimpose, the amplitude of the resultant wave is greater, or it is equal to the sum of amplitude of individual wave. On the other hand, in destructive interference, the waves superimposed to decrease the overall amplitude because they are out of phase or in opposite phase. So basically the phenomena of superposition of one wave over another resulting in redistribution of energy around the source of disturbance is called interference. This is the
So here we have taken a white screen, and now I have this laser light. A laser beam looks something like this on the screen here. So it's a laser beam focused at a point. Now I'm going to show the phenomena of interference by using just a strand of hair. So here what I have done is I have just fixed a strand of hair in the path of laser beam, and when you observe it closely you will see that there is interference pattern being formed on the screen. If you look at it closely, you observe the regions of dark and bright fringes, or dark and bright regions being formed here. So you see, this is the middle bright region, very bright region, and then on both the sides of this middle bright region, which is the central bright maxima, there are alternate regions of bright and dark light. Okay, so the bright light, it is corresponding to the constructive interference, and the dark regions which are alternately placed in between two bright regions, they represent the condition of destructive interference. So you see how wonderfully the phenomena of interference is observed by this simple experiment. So all I have done is placed a hair strand in the path of laser beam. So what has actually happened here is that light from the laser beam, when you place a hair strand in its path, then the uh, single light source divides into two sources, and the light coming from them, the two sources, undergoes interference, which can be either constructive or destructive, which results in the dark and bright fringes. The phenomena of interference has been explained theoretically in the previous part and previous portion of this video, and this is the practical side of interference. And this interference is caused after diffraction of light, because when the hair strand comes in path of the light has to bend, that is, it undergoes diffraction. So after diffraction, the superposition leads to interference pattern.